Prosthetics, how important are they to humans? In a world driven by technological innovation and medical advancement, few inventions have had as profound an impact on the human experience as prosthetics. More than just mechanical replacements for lost limbs, modern prosthetics embody resilience, restoration, and the pursuit of normalcy for those who have experienced physical trauma, congenital limb differences, or diseases such as diabetes. Their importance spans across physical mobility, psychological well-being, and even societal inclusion, making them not only medical devices but symbols of empowerment. Restoring mobility and independence. The most immediate and visible impact of prosthetics is the restoration of mobility. For individuals who have lost limbs due to accidents, war injuries, or illnesses, prosthetics offer the possibility of regaining physical capabilities that were once taken for granted, walking, grasping, running, or even returning to work. Modern prosthetics are no longer just rudimentary wooden legs or metal hooks. With the integration of lightweight materials, microprocessors, and robotics, today's prosthetics are capable of mimicking the natural movement of human limbs with remarkable precision. For instance, myoelectric arms use sensors that detect muscle movements in the remaining limb to control the prosthetic hand, enabling complex actions like typing or cooking. This return to function allows individuals to reclaim independence in their daily lives, reducing the need for caregivers and enabling participation in activities ranging from household chores to sports and travel. In many cases, this can mean the difference between a life of dependence and one of freedom. Psychological and emotional benefits. Beyond the physical, prosthetics play a critical role in psychological and emotional recovery. The loss of a limb can be devastating, leading to feelings of grief, loss of identity, and even depression. A prosthetic can help bridge the emotional gap between who a person was before their amputation and who they are now. By restoring a sense of wholeness, prosthetics often help individuals regain confidence, dignity, and a more positive self-image. Prosthetics also allow individuals to participate more fully in society without the constant reminder of their disability. For children born with limb differences, a prosthetic can support their social integration, reducing bullying or feelings of isolation. For adults, it can support professional re-entry and reduce the stigma often associated with visible disabilities. The evolution of prosthetic technology. The importance of prosthetics is closely tied to the advancements in science and technology. Historically, prosthetics were limited in functionality and often uncomfortable or even harmful to wear. Today, 3D printing has revolutionized prosthetic manufacturing, allowing for custom-fitted limbs that are affordable and accessible. This is especially important in developing countries where traditional prosthetics are often too expensive or unavailable. Moreover, advancements in neural interface technology, where the brain communicates directly with the prosthetic, are opening new frontiers in functionality. Some cutting-edge devices can now provide sensory feedback, allowing users to feel textures or pressure, further enhancing their interaction with the world. As artificial intelligence becomes integrated into these devices, the future of prosthetics points toward limbs that can learn and adapt with the user, improving responsiveness and comfort over time. Impact on society and inclusion. Prosthetics don't just affect individuals, they influence society as a whole. As prosthetic technology improves and becomes more accessible, the broader community becomes more inclusive. This is evident in areas like adaptive sports, where athletes with prosthetics compete at elite levels, even in the Paralympic Games. These achievements not only redefine physical limitations, but challenge societal perceptions of disability. In the workforce, prosthetics allow individuals with limb differences to contribute fully and confidently. This has significant economic implications, enabling greater workforce participation and reducing long-term healthcare costs. Schools, public transportation, and workplaces are becoming more accommodating as awareness grows. But prosthetics have been instrumental in accelerating this push toward universal design and accessibility. Challenges and inequities. Despite the remarkable progress, challenges remain. High-quality prosthetics, particularly those with advanced features, are still expensive and often not fully covered by insurance. For individuals in low-income communities or countries with limited healthcare infrastructure, access to even basic prosthetic care can be scarce. Additionally, prosthetic devices require ongoing maintenance, adjustments, and replacements, particularly for growing children. This lifelong cost can be burdensome, highlighting the need for continued advocacy, public policy support, and global health initiatives focused on equitable access. There are also emotional challenges in adapting to life with a prosthetic. The adjustment period can be long, involving physical therapy and mental resilience. Peer support groups and counseling can be vital parts of this journey. In conclusion, it's more than just a limb. Prosthetics are more than mechanical limbs. They are tools of empowerment, resilience, and hope. They allow individuals to reclaim control of their lives, both physically and emotionally, and re-engage with their communities on their own terms. The continuous evolution of prosthetic technology holds the promise of even greater integration, comfort, and function, improving the quality of life for millions around the world. As we look toward a more inclusive future, the importance of prosthetics will only grow. Supporting access to affordable, effective prosthetic care should be a global priority, because restoring mobility means restoring humanity. Remember to like and follow for more insightful content and intelligent perspectives.